Welcome to the southernmost cheap brew review from Key West, Florida. And since I escaped quarantine in the beer garden, some of you have said I look like a combination of Charlie Daniels and Ernest Hemingway. I don't see it. But it's 96 degrees here in Key West and a real feel of 106. So I thought, let's really pull it out and go for it. Up this round is Four Loko Gold at 14% alcohol. This is the highest alcohol that Four Loko has, and about a 24-ounce can. If I do my beer math correctly, in one can that I'm about to drink, this is the alcohol equivalent of about a 6-pack of beer. All for less than $3. What could go wrong? Let's pop the top of this 14% alcohol caffeinated drink and a heat index of 106. See if my face can get any redder. Let's pop the top and see what we got. Very robust and effervescent opening. Now, to be honest, I was not looking forward to this. Check out my review for the only other Four Loko I've had to this point, and it was sour apple, and it was god-awful. Ugh. As hot as it is, it made my nipples hard. I'm actually kind of surprised it's not as heinous as the Four Loko sour apple. It tastes kind of grape-esque. It's not sour, it's not tart, and it really just tastes like an energy drink, a Monster or a Red Bull, which if you look at the ingredients, it pretty much is a Monster or Red Bull energy drink with 14% alcohol added to it. As I sip away on this malt beverage, I'm starting to sweat more. I can feel my heart pounding out of my chest, but I really don't detect any alcohol. And that's shocking, and that's darn near dangerous at 14% alcohol. It doesn't taste bad. It's a little sweet. It almost has the sweetness equivalent, say, if you get some type of island drink here in Key West, some type of a daiquiri. I'm sure it's loaded with sugar, loaded with caffeine, and loaded with alcohol. If all those stars aligned, I should be passed out in about 10 minutes. Like I said, I picked this up at a gas station for less than $3. As hot as it is here in Key West today, and as high as the alcohol content is, I'm anticipating the sugar crash nap I'm going to want to take and the pounding headache that will result from it. Desperate times, desperate measures. So as I'm about 2 locos through my Four Loko, I'm profusely sweating. I'm starting to feel a little dizzy, lightheaded. We have skydivers that are jumping above us, or maybe I'm just hallucinating. Where would I put this on the list of 5 stars? 5 being a very good cheap brew. I gotta tell you, the taste is not awful. Much better than the sour apple. The alcohol content is higher, the price is dirt cheap, and depending on the after vapor trail outcome of this, out of 5 stars, I'm going to give Four Loko Gold 4.7 out of 5 stars. I'm almost ashamed to admit it. On this beautiful day in Key West, the southernmost brew review, and it's a beautiful day. Don't just sit there. Grab yourself a cheap brew. Cheers.